In this quick guide, you'll learn how to transfer money from a checking account on RBC Direct Investing. If you've ever needed to move funds around within your RBC accounts but weren't quite sure how to do it, don't worry, I'm here to help you through each step. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. To get started, you'll first need to open the RBC Direct Investing app on your device. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This is your gateway to managing your investments and ensuring that your funds are where they need to be. After you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a yellow circle there. Tap on it. This circle acts as a central hub for all your transactions, making it easy to navigate to the next step. With the menu open, you'll want to select Transfer Funds. This option will lead you to the section where you can choose which accounts you're transferring money between. It's designed to be intuitive so you won't get lost in a sea of options. Now, under From Account, you'll need to select your checking account. This is the account from which the money will be withdrawn. Ensure that it's the correct account, especially if you have multiple checking accounts linked. Next, you'll move on to the To Account section. Here, select your RBC Direct Investing account. This is where your funds will be deposited, allowing you to utilize them for your investments as needed. Once you've chosen the correct accounts, it's time to enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check that you've entered the right sum to avoid any mistakes. It might seem simple, but it's crucial to ensure accuracy here. At this point, some users might be prompted to enter their phone number. If the app asks for this information, go ahead and type it in. This step is often a security measure to confirm your identity and protect your account. Before finalizing the transfer, review all the details carefully. Check that the accounts are correct and the amount is what you intended to transfer. Once everything looks perfect, tap the Continue button. This will complete your transfer and the funds will soon be available in your RBC Direct Investing account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from a checking account on RBC Direct Investing. With these steps, managing your finances and investments becomes a breeze.